I used to think that getting clear glowing skin required 10-step routines and months of waiting. I was spending every night applying layer and layer of skincare products, and my skin looked worse than when I started. But as a dermatologist who cleared my own hyperpigmentation and dullness, I can show you how to get visible results in 4 to 6 weeks using the simplest routine possible. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends focusing on a few basic steps: a gentle cleanser, targeted serum, and broad spectrum sun protection. No overwhelming products, no overwhelming steps, just results. So let's talk about why simple always wins and the problem with overly complicated routines. Well, one of the important reasons is barrier function overload. Your skin barrier can only tolerate so many active ingredients at one time. Using too many active ingredients at once can actually impair your skin barrier and lead to increased redness, sensitivity, and impair your ability to heal. Research shows that your skin barrier function can decrease by up to 40% if you're using more than 4 active ingredients at the same time. The other thing to note is the compliance paradox. Research shows that using a simple 3-step routine had an 85% higher compliance than those using a 10-step routine. And I always say that compliance and consistency lead to results. I remember when I was first trying to figure out how to treat my own acne and my own hyperpigmentation, I was using over 8 harsh active ingredients, layering them on at the same time for the first time, and my skin could not tolerate it. It was sensitive, red, cracking, and actually worsening my problem. It wasn't until I learned how to focus my ingredients and use a simple routine that I could consistently maintain that my results skyrocketed. And it was this experience that was one of the key factors that led me to pursue dermatology. And during this process is when I came to appreciate that less was truly more. Let's talk about why your skin responds to consistency over complexity. Now, as we all know, the skin barrier repairs itself on average every 28 days, and this does slow down as we age. Complex routines can disrupt this cell turnover cycle by introducing inflammation and irritation, and so it's now delaying this entire process of cell turnover and healing. Your simple routines are going to actually support this optimal cell turnover. We as dermatologists now recognize that consistent use of a simple routine beats sporadic use of multiple products over time. That compound effect with consistent use really plays a big role. So let's talk about a 3-step routine that actually works. I've seen it work time and time again. Step 1 is going to be our foundation, with starting with a gentle cleanser. This is really going to remove that oil buildup, those dead skin cells, the environmental pollutants, and also provide a clean base for you now to uptake your active serums and ingredients more effectively. Now, when you're cleansing your skin for the best results, you want to use lukewarm water. Hot water overly strips and dries out the skin. And again, just use your fingertips very gently in a circular motion. I usually like to cleanse for about 30 seconds to make sure we're getting all of that buildup off. And of course, you can look for ingredients such as glycerin or hyaluronic acid or ceramides to help provide your barrier support and hydration. Step 2 is where we're going to introduce our targeted serums depending on the issue that we want to target. So for instance, if we're working on hyperpigmentation or brightening, we're going to use our vitamin C here. If we're really dehydrated, we can use our hyaluronic acid serums here. And of course, we talked about some of the other hyperpigmentation active ingredients that we can use in the previous videos. And so now would be a good time to incorporate some of those. This step 2 targeted ingredient is going to be specific to everybody's skincare concern. Now, studies show that serums tend to have smaller molecules, and so this is why it's nice. I prefer to apply it immediately after cleansing before I have anything else on the skin that's going to prevent those from effectively penetrating. I'll typically apply 2 to 3 drops of the serum that I want to take advantage of during this time, and then gently massage it into the skin in upward strokes. If I have any excess, just as a little tip, I tend to apply it to my neck as long as my skin can tolerate it there, because this area can be sensitive, and also the backs of my hands, because why let the excess go to waste? By the way, if you want to learn how to achieve your clear skin goals without the confusion and without the overwhelm, check the first link in my description below. Now, step 3 is going to vary a little bit. It can be a step 3 and step 4 depending on how you look at it. If you're a busy person and you're already struggling to be consistent with too many skincare products, then you can use a moisturizer with an SPF. Of course, an SPF of at least 30. Now, many of my colleagues will prefer to apply the moisturizer first and then apply the sunscreen afterward. Nonetheless, we need both. We need the moisturizer and sunscreen. Combining them can be optional. So why do we need a moisturizer and a sunscreen? Well, during the day, it's going to be important to help keep your skin barrier moisturized and keep all of those active ingredients that we previously applied locked into place. And then of course, that sunscreen is going to help prevent us from racking up any sun damage throughout the day. It's going to help accelerate our results and protect the work that we've already done, as well as protect the ingredients that we've already invested in our skin. Without the proper moisture barrier, your skin can experience up to 25% more transepidermal water loss. Studies show that using a moisturizer consistently can improve treatment outcomes by up to 65%. Now, again, in the morning, for those who have a busy schedule, you can use a moisturizer that has an SPF of at least 30, but at night you can reach for a moisturizer that does not have an SPF, as it's not required to wear it during this time. Now, of course, consistency beats perfection every time. If you fall off for a day, it's okay. Just get back on it and maintain that regimen, because that's what's going to give you the best results. But of course, using your regimen consistently is going to beat sporadic use any day. This is exactly how I cleared my own hyperpigmentation, not from sporadic use of expensive products, but from consistently sticking to my skincare regimen, my simple, targeted, personalized skincare regimen every day. And if I had a day where I missed, I hopped right back on for that consistency for the best results. And just to share my own personal timeline of what I experienced when I finally nailed down the right routine. And so that first 1 to 2 weeks, I really started to feel that healing and just that more balanced, restored skin barrier setting in. By weeks 3 to 4, I was already starting to see more smoothness and brightness and overall clearing of my skin complexion. By weeks 5 to 6, I was really enjoying more even tone and texture. And by week 8 and beyond, it was noticeable to everybody. I had colleagues commenting on it because, woo, they knew it was a struggle before that. And patients, of course, noticed as well. This journey, because it had such a deep impact on my overall self-esteem and confidence walking into any room, that's one of the top things that really inspired me to help people on a broader scale through my expertise as a dermatologist. I remember distinctly working with a patient in her 40s who was experiencing a similar trajectory that I was on. She had been struggling with dull, irritated, uneven skin for years, using and trying countless expensive products that were just not getting her to where she needed to be. We implemented this exact 3-step routine, and she committed to doing this consistently for 8 weeks. By week 4, her skin was noticeably more even and brighter, and by week 8, her skin had completely transformed. It was life-changing. She had clear, even, glowing skin. The key was the targeted, personalized approach, simplicity, and consistency. The women who get the best results, they're not the ones using the most products all the time. They're the ones who understand their skin and follow a clear, proven path. I went through this exact journey struggling with my own hyperpigmentation, acne-prone, dull, uneven skin. Treating myself for the same issues that many of my patients struggled with is what inspired me to want to help people through dermatology on a broader scale. If you want to learn my complete system for how to achieve your clear skin goals without the confusion, without the internet overwhelm, and without the wasted time, be sure to check the first link in my description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.